Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the hardware and getting the first device online. Plug the primary Ac1200 unit into power and connect an Ethernet cable from your modem to the router's WAN port. Make sure the modem shows active internet before you continue. Power on both devices and wait until the router's LED indicates ready. Once done, open the companion app or web setup to create an admin account. This lets you finish the configuration and secure the network. You now add mesh nodes to extend coverage. In the app, choose Add Node and follow the on-screen pairing steps, which often require pressing a sync or WPS button on the satellite. The app will confirm signal strength and finalize firmware updates. Make sure you allow any automatic updates for stability. Once paired, physically test placement by walking around typical usage areas and make small moves to improve RSSI values until the app shows good link quality between nodes and the primary. Finish by customizing your SSID and a strong passphrase, and change the default admin password so you secure the network. Run speed tests at several locations and check latency. If you see throughput drops greater than 25% at a satellite, reposition it closer to the main unit. If a node won't join, reboot the modem and router, perform a factory reset on the node, then attempt pairing again. If problems persist, try a wired backhaul or consult the router's diagnostic logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.